All right, we're going to be spending a day in the life at the Jody Jazz Factory. Here we are. I'm going to be walking in. We get a chance to look at the inside over here. We got some awesome pictures. I noticed on the outside that picture of Dave Liebman. That was really cool. George Garzone. And here I am. This is really cool. And this, how cool is this? Check this out. Jody's Jazz Joint. So we're walking into Jody's Jazz Joint, and the first thing that you see here, well, first of all, that's a great painting right there. And then you have this beautiful display. But just take a look at the room first. We've got a stage over there where Jody has his Jody Jazz Band rehearsals. All right, and then we've got some more things over here. This is really good. We've got mouthpieces galore over here, along with all these great pictures on the top. Mouthpieces galore. We've got these mouthpieces that Jody will be talking about later when he does one of his tours. We got the hand with the mouthpieces. It's like a little bar over here. We've got the setup, the family. Got the whole family over here. Got our Shedville stuff over here. Our clarinets. This is really cool. And check it out, a pool table. As we keep moving along the room, just getting closer to here, the stage. Stereo speaker, he's got all these great cameras and stuff like that. Now the funny thing, and I didn't realize this, but Jody's gotten into golf, and so he built this little extension to the stage so that he can, you see the little T there? So what he does to unwind and to, think and think about possibilities for the company, he does a little golf in here. Now you're probably saying, well, where's he doing the golf? Well, golf ball goes on the tee, and then he shoots it right at that fabric screen. So that fabric screen can take a golf ball, can take a baseball thrown at it, and it's perfectly fine. And that's how he unwinds, but also how he thinks about the possibilities for the company. So I wanted to give you a sneak peek into the Jody Jazz Lounge.